Millions of young people have already had the opportunity to study abroad, live and learn in a different culture. For many students, however, this path abroad is still hampered or even denied by structural barriers and various forms of exclusion. ENLIGHT has a clear vision of inclusion, equality and diversity in teaching. Our learning opportunities are in line with the implementation guidelines Erasmus+ and European Solidarity Corps Inclusion and Diversity Strategy. We want to increase the sensitivity of our teachers and staff to this topic and strengthen ambiguity, complexity and intersectionality through a holistic approach. We offer various ways in which you can not only participate in our program, but also benefit from it and contribute to improving your communication with students. We train employees in lectures, workshops and training courses such as the Erasmus+ Staff Week. In addition to further education, we at ENLIGHT are expanding our range of online mobility and virtual exchange, as well as an inclusive implementation of blended learning formats and short-term mobility, for example, the summer schools. Support us in increasing the diversity of participating students in mobility programs and international learning opportunities and making studying abroad an unforgettable experience.